Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to implement an AI chatbot on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log in into your account. Now from the left-hand menu, click on Apps. Then click on Shopify App Store to open the App Marketplace. Now in the search bar, tap Live Chat and press Enter. From the results, click on Chatty AI Chatbot and Live Chat. Then click on the Install button. When prompted, click on Install again to confirm. Now you'll be asked a few onboarding questions. First, select which options best describes you. Next, select the channels you sell on, like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or your website. Then choose how many support agents are on your team. After that, click on Let's Get Started. Here, you'll be given the options to create your AI assistant. You can either start syncing your data or skip this step. Now, select the pricing plan that fits your business. You'll see options like Basic at $19.99 per month, Pro at $49.99 per month, and $199 per month. For now, select the free plan to continue. You'll now land on the dashboard where you can check key metrics like total conversations, resolution rate, assisted revenue, chat or sell rate. Next, click on Sync Stored Data to connect your product and customer data with the chatbot. As the data starts syncing, go to the Customize Your AI Assistant. Now, click on Customize. Here, you can enter your chatbot's name and welcome message. Choose the personality of the chatbot. Then set the length of responses. Fill in the general instructions to guide how your chatbot replies. Add any essential business info that it may need to respond better. Once everything's set, your AI chatbot will be ready to assist customers on your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.